I have here a picture of Julia Roberts and Richard Gere from Pretty Woman. Is anybody familiar with the movie Pretty Woman? All right? Yes, and I'm going to say this here. Be very careful how I say this, all right? Especially because I'm being recorded. Okay? I picked this on purpose. Notice this is called a horizontal shift. And Julia Roberts plays the part of a prostitute. So that's why I put this picture here. We have a prostitute. And we're going to talk about horizontal shifts. All right? So, because those are liars. Call this a liar. So here's an example I'm going to kind of prove that it is. If I have the graph y equals x, all right, y equals x is the normal like parent identity graph, and I added 2 to it. Notice it shifted the graph up to like the absolute value graph did, right? But what I want you to notice is look at that point there and the point negative 2, 0. When I went up to, it didn't go through the point 2, 0. It went to the point negative 2, 0, which meant that I could also input it in parentheses. In parentheses or an absolute value is a horizontal shift. Now notice, the plus 2 goes through the point negative 2. Does everybody see that? It's a liar. So I call it a horizontal liar. Everybody got it? So I have the picture of Julia Roberts here. She played the part of a prostitute with a horizontal liar. So sometimes called inside liars because they're inside the parentheses. So what I'm telling you is this. If I have an x plus 3 inside the parentheses, it's not going to move 3 to the positive side, to the right. It's going to move 3 to the left. And the reason is, I'm going to go back a little second there. The reason it does that is it's going to basically get to the value 3 times as fast. Like at negative 3 plus 3 is 0. That's why it has the same answer as it would at 0, 0. Right? It's a horizontal liar. Everybody see that? If it's inside the parentheses or inside the absolute value, it moves the opposite direction. It's a liar. Notice the plus 3 was put at negative 3. So where do you think minus 3 will be put? It will be put at the plus 3. So the minus 3 moves the other way. That's why I call them horizontal liars. Right? So where do you think minus 7 would be? Do you think it would be left or right?
Right.
It'd be to the right, 7. And then this plus 6 would not be to the right, but to the left, 6. So they're called horizontal liars. All right? Thank you, Frank.